Hello everyone, it's Setsu, and in today's video I will show you how to do this simple but magical crystal makeup. Let's go! This beautiful wig is from Me, and you can use my discount code Sweetysetsu. First, I'm going to use a peel-off mask that makes me feel like a magical girl. After that, I moisturize my skin with some oil. I'm applying my makeup base to smooth my skin. Next, I'm using the new liquid foundation from ABH and apply it with a wet blender. Now my concealer on my dark circles and imperfections. Finally, I'm setting everything with a translucent powder. Now I'm brushing my eyebrows with a spoolie and drawing them with some grease paint. I'm going for gradient eyebrows. I start with a dark blue at the end of the brow and fill the rest with a light purple to make a gradient effect. I'm using a clear brow gel and some white mascara on the top of it. Oh, and I forgot to put my lenses. I got this super cute case with the lenses Galaxy Pink from TTDI, and you can use my discount code Sweetysetsu on their website too. Before my eyeshadow, I am applying my eye primer. Then I'm gonna be using the Jackie Aina palette from ABH because it has the perfect colors for today's makeup. I start with the color Big Wig on the external corner of my eye. And blend it with the color Pinker. I am adding more purple and blend it again. With the color Supreme now, I'm applying eyeshadow on the internal corner of my eye. Same process on the other side. With the color Pinker again, I'm adding eyeshadow on my outer crease and blend it. Finally, I'm using the shimmery color Shooking Tone on the external corner of my eyes. Next, with the Icy Loose Pigment, I'm adding some light to my lid. Now I'm using the ABH liquid liner. Now my mascara. And my eyelashes. I stick some nail art stars on it and they're the cutest like this. I'm applying my blush on the top of my cheeks and nose. And I'm using the color Ethereal from the Dream Glow kit. I glue those crystals on my cheeks and I'm trying to make them look like tears. With this white liner, I'm drawing some freckles. And cute details around my eyes. For my lips, I'm first using this soft pink lipstick and blend the outwards with my fingers. Then, with a more vibrant one, I'm applying color on the inner part and blend again. Now I'm applying some gloss. And I'm now able to stick those glitters and sparkles to my lips. Then, with a little bit of glitter adhesive, I'm applying more glitters around my eyes and on my eyebrows. I'm setting everything with my setting spray and this makeup is done. Thanks for watching my video, I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video, bye bye!